Appointment scheduling is one of the most frequently performed tasks for every practice management, because at healthcare practices, patient visits start with appointments. In this video, you'll learn 3 ways to schedule appointments in Universal Office. To start, make sure the appointment book is displayed. If you're in a rush, use the 3 controls in the right pane of the appointment book. Start by selecting a date from the calendar. In the patient's search box, input the first few letters of the patient's last name and press enter. You may also search by first name, phone, and case number. Select a patient, then select a service from the activities drop-down list. Double-click in an available time slot, the light gray cells under the provider column, and your appointment is booked. Keep in mind that if a provider cannot perform the select activity, the system will prompt a warning and prevent scheduling the appointment. You can also input more information when scheduling, so there's less to do when your patient checks in. In the appointment book, click New Appointment and Pre-Charge on the toolbar. Type the last name in the patient name field, then select the name and case number. Select an appointment date, provider, and activity. Only available providers for the selected date will be listed. Select the start time, change the default duration if needed, and add appointment notes. Depending on your setup in Preferences, either check the box next to each billing item or click an empty cell under the item ID column and select an item from the dropdown. To help keep track of remaining visits, select the treatment plan if one exists. Then click Save and Close. Pre-scheduling and scheduling reoccurring appointments improves the chances of patients following through the prescribed treatment plan. Follow along to learn how. Click Repeat Appointments on the toolbar. Type the last name in the patient name field, then select the name and click Add Appointments. Select the case number and a treatment plan, then check the box next to each item scheduled to be provided during the set of recurring appointments. Select the provider, activity, duration, and start time. Provider availability is reflected in the calendar below. Double-click on dates inside the calendar and the appointments you add appear in the list on your right. Click Save and Close, then Close. Congratulations, you have scheduled reoccurring appointments. To learn more about appointments, see the Schedule Appointments article available at support.antibex.com.